to John's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a sweet and savoury omelette. You get a nice steady golden colour. Cover pan. Flavour. It'll be nice and fresh. The ideal thing, well, one of the ideal things for me to eat with this omelette is a croissant. Nice and warm for summery, autumn, winter, spring, breakfast, any time of the year. Put one more in. I'm allowed to change my mind because guess what? It's John's Kitchen. It's all in the title. Right. Some honey. Okay, the omelette's finished now. I'll take it out of the grill. Just put a little toast. Nice, savoury and sweet omelette. Okay, for my European twist, I'll be adding 2 croissants into the oven. Just heating them up. I will heat them up just for 4 minutes. 4 minutes are up now, just for heating up the croissants. Finish. There we have it. 1 strawberry and honey omelette. If you like what I'm doing, visit johnsfoodanddrink.com. Thank you. Goodbye.